Welcome to SAT2 Career 2.0 online nursing channel. In this video, I brought very interesting 30 questions for all those who are preparing for RRB staff nurse exam. These questions are selected from various angles of RRB syllabus. Hope you should watch all the questions till the end of this video so that it will make you more interesting to learn for the RRB exam and it will boost your confidence. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Let's see the first question of the day. Please click the bell icon to get latest notification about new videos. Now let's go to the first question of the day. Identify the region of the pharynx that extends from the soft palatine to the epiglottis. Option A, nasopharynx, B, hypopharynx, C, oropharynx, D, laryngopharynx. We know very well the pharynx has three parts: nasopharynx, oropharynx, laryngopharynx. In that, the oropharynx is extend between the soft palatine to epiglottis. So answer C is right. Question number 2. Which bone covers and protects the anterior side of the heart? A. Sternum, B. Ribs, C. Manubrium, D. Humerus. So the anterior part of the heart is protected by a bone called breastbone, or it is called sternum. Option A is right. Question number 3. Which of the following cavities are separated by the diaphragm? A. Abdominal and pelvic, B. Abdominal and spinal, C. Thoracic and cranial, D. Thoracic and abdominal. The two cavities which is separated by diaphragm includes option D, thoracic and abdominal cavity. So option D is right. Question number 4. In men, which of the following structure is located at the neck of the bladder and surrounds the urethra? A. Option A, urethra, B, prostate, C, seminal vesicle, D, testis. So the organ which is present below the neck of the bladder and surrounds the urethra is option B, prostate. Question number 5. In Freud's theory of personality, which statement is true? It works on moral principle. Option A. B. Ego obeys the reality principles. C. Superego obeys the pleasure principles. Option D. It balances between ego and superego. So Sigmund Freud's theory of personality tells that option B is right. Ego obeys on the reality principle. We know very well it works on the pleasure principle. Superego works on the moral principle, and it is not doing the bridge between ego and superego, whereas superego acts as a bridge between it and ego. Question number 6. Which is the following which of the following sequence is correct? A. Oral anal phallic genital latency, B. Anal oral genital latency phallic, C. Oral anal phallic latency genital, D. Anal phallic oral latency genital. So this is the stages of psychosexual development theory by Sigmund Freud. So we have 5 stages, starts with oral, then goes to anal, then phallic, latency and genital. So option 3 is right. Question number 7. So aptitude question related to numerical. Select the missing item from the following series. So see the series correctly and you can find which number is missing. 1, 3, 6, 8, 16, 36, 38, and which number should come after 38. First let's see the answer, then we will go for how to solve it. The answer is option C, 76. Let's see how to solve it. So this is the easy method. So here you can see that every alternate calculation will use the same symbol. Like if you start with plus, and in the third step you will use the plus. In the second step use the multiplication, and fourth step use the multiplication. But the number is common here too. The answer what you are getting in the step will be used as the first number in this next step. So when we do like that, 36 plus 2 gives 38, and now the plus 2 we have used here. Next we will do the multiplication. It gives 76. So answer is 76. So like this you can able to solve the sum. You need presence of mind to solve such sums. Question number 8. During photosynthesis, the liberated gas is A. Nitrogen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Oxygen, D. Helium. We all know very well plant takes carbon dioxide inside and liberated oxygen. So in the plant photosynthesis process is going on for metabolism. So option C, oxygen is right. Question number 9. Where will be the headquarters of India's new railway zone named Southern Coast Railway created? A. Chennai, B. Pune, C. Mumbai, D. Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. Recently, Piyush Goyal, Indian Railway Minister, has announced that creation of new railway headquarters called Southern Coast Railway that will be present in Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. Chennai already is a headquarters for Southern Railways. Mumbai is headquarters for Western Railways. Now, question number 10. Which of the following has become the largest rail coach maker in the world in March 2019? So all these railway coach factories are present in India only. A. Chittaranjan Locomotive Works, Asansol. B. Rail Coach Factory, Kapurthala in Punjab. B. C. Integral Coach Factory, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Modern Coach Factory, Raebareli. Option D. So the proud goes to Integral Coach Factory, Chennai, where they manufactured Train 18 Vande Bharat last year. It is the world largest rail coach factory according to March 2019 report. Question number 11. If pain is for short duration and a localized and soft sensation, the location of pain is A. Superficial and cutaneous, B. Deep and visceral, C. Radiating, D. Referral. So if a pain is there in a particular area and it very sharp in sensation, that pain is called as option A, superficial and cutaneous. Question number 12. Entire surgical scrub should last for A 10 to 15 minutes, B 5 to 10 minutes, C 1 to 3 minutes, D none of the above. We know very well surgical scrub lasts for minimum 5 to 10 minutes. Question number 13. Nurse asks the client to interpret the saying, "Don't count your chicken before they are hatched." The client response reveals A. Judgment, B. Knowledge, C. Abstract thinking, D. Insight. So when we do mental status examination in psychiatric patient, under the component of abstract thinking, we give the proverb for the patient and ask them to interpret its meaning in a logical sense. So here same is applied. So it is option C, abstract thinking. Question number 14. A woman having hair growth on the upper lip, chin and cheeks has A. Alopecia, B. Disturbances in growth, C. Hirsutism and D is wheal. So abnormal hair growth in female is hirsutism, option C. Question number 15. Which of the following assessment techniques would a nurse use to assess the thyroid gland? A. Auscultation, B. Percussion, C. Observation, D. Palpation. So, for assessment of thyroid gland, we use the technique palpation. It is a very effective technique to see the enlargement of thyroid glands. Question number 16. Nurse Yamuna noticed unequal pupil size in a patient. This is known as A. Anosmia, B. Anuria, C. Anisocoria, D. Anomia. So unequal pupil size is termed as option C. Anisocoria. Anosmia is related to smell, anuria is related to urine, anomia is related to speech. Question number 17. Detoxification of opioid is achieved by this drug: A. Metrogyl, B. Methadone, C. Methargine, and D. Sulfiram. For detoxifying opioid, we use the drug methadone. It's a drug of choice. Disulfiram is used in the treatment of alcoholism. Metrogyl, it is an anti-helminthic drug, and methargine is used in the OBG. Next, contraction of placenta, uterus. Question number 18. Reduced vision in the affected eye is: A. Amblyopia, B. Myopia, C. Diplopia, D. Nyctalopia. So reduced vision in the affected eye is amblyopia. It is also called lazy eye. Question number 19. Wernicke's encephalopathy is a degenerative condition of your brain associated with: A. Thiamine deficiency, B. Thiamine toxicity, C. Riboflavin deficiency, and D. niacin deficiency. So Wernicke's encephalopathy, a organic brain disorder, degenerative in nature, and it is associated with thiamine deficiency. Option A is right. Question number 20. Indication of hyperbaric oxygen therapy includes all except: A. Optic neuritis, B. Thermal burns, C. Actinomycosis, D. Enhancement of wound healing. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy is indicated in thermal burns, actinomycosis, and enhancement of wound healing by promoting the granulation. But in optic neuritis, it is strictly contraindicated. It is relative contraindicated in optic neuritis case. Question number 21 is a numerical question. Find the wrong number from the following number series. So question is same like previous only, but here which is the wrong number you have to pick up from the series of number. We have 6, 10, 14, 34, 66, 130 and 258. So options are given: 14, 66, 130 and 258. Let's see the answer first, then let's see the explanation. 14 is the wrong number in this series. How we can solve this? The wrong number in the given series is 14. It is replaced by 18. In that place 18 should have come. So this is the way of solving this sum. So 2 multiply with the 2 and minus it by 2 in all the step. So first number is 6. When we multiply with 2, we are getting 12, and when it is subtracted by 2, then we get 10. Then the 10, what we are getting, the result of the first, we are putting in the second. Multiply with 2, 20, minus with the 2, we should get 18, not 14. So 14 is the number wrong in this series. So similarly, when we do with 18, 36, and when we minus with 2, it will be 34, and it goes so on. So the right answer is 14 is the wrong number in this series. Hope you get it clear. Question number 22. 10 rupee notes bear the signature of. It's a general knowledge question. A. President of India, B. Vice President of India, C. Reserve Bank Governor, D. Prime Minister of India. So whose signature will be present in the 10 rupee note? Not only in 10 rupee note, in all the note in our country, rupees, the sign of Reserve Bank of Governor will be present. Other people's signature will not be present in the rupees of India. Question number 23. Genes are made up of. General science question. It is: A. Histone, B. Polynucleotide, C. Hydrocarbons, D. Lipoproteins. We know genes are made up of polynucleotides, purines and pyrimidines. Question number 23. Genes are made up of polynucleotides. Option B is right. Question number 24. A positive integer that when added to 2000 gives a sum which is greater than when multiplied by 2000. Find the positive integer. So this is numerical sum. Use your brain to solve it. Option A 4, B 3, C 2, D 1. How? That is, when you take this 4 number, when you add with that, the answer will be larger when you multiply with the same number with 2000. So for example, usually when we multiply, that number has to be higher than when we add it. But in this case, when we add this number, we get higher number in place of multiplying with that same number with 2000. So very simple. Answer is 1. So here is the explanation. So if you add 2000 with that one, we get 2001. But when you multiply the 2000 with 1, we will get the same number, which is lower than the number which we add. So the sum of 1 and 2000 is greater than the multiplication of 1 and 2000. So right answer is option 1 is the, that is the option. This is option D is the right answer. Hope you understand. Question number 25. If Kumbhakarn eats 60 pounds of rice every day, except every 70th day, on which he only eat 50 pounds of rice, if he continues this, how many pounds of rice will he eat in 150 days? Very interesting question. A 9,000 pounds, B 8,890 pounds, C 8,790 pounds, D 8,690 pounds. So every day Kumbhakaran eats 60 pounds of rice, but on seventh day he is eating only 50 pounds of rice. So if it is continuing for 50 days or 150 days, finally how much amount of rice he would have eaten? So first see the answer. Option C 8,790 is the right answer. Let's see how the sum is calculated. So it is given that on every seventh day he eats 50 pounds of rice. So in 150 days, take all the seventh days, that is 7, 14, 21, 28, up to 147 we will get. So count how many 7 days are coming. Totally in these days he has eaten 50 days per 50 pounds of rice per day. So total number of seventh day in the 150 day total, it is 21 days coming. That seventh is the first day, 14th is the second day, and 140 is the 20th day, and 21st will be 21st seventh day will be coming on 147. So like that, the remaining days. So minus this 121 with the 150, we get 129 days. In 129 days, he has eaten 60 pounds of rice. So now we will multiply the 60 pounds with 129 and plus the value of 21 days multiplied with 50 pounds. So we get 7,740 plus 1,050. So totally he ate 8,790 pounds in 150 days. So this is the answer for this question. Now let's see the question number 26. Which is the largest tiger reserve in India? A. Nagarjuna, B. Corbett, C. Kaziranga, D. Manas. The largest tiger reserve in India is option B. Corbett in UK, Uttarakhand, where at present 215 tigers are present. Question number 27. Atmospheric pressure exerted on the earth is due to A. Rotation of earth, B. Gravitational pull, C. Revolution of earth, and D is uneven heating of earth. So the atmospheric pressure in the earth is due to the gravitational force present in the earth. Question number 28. Potassium permanganate is used for purifying drinking water. because it is a sterilizing agent. Option B, it is a reducing agent. Option C, it is a oxidizing agent. And D, it dissolves the impurities of water. So why we use potassium permanganate in purification of water? The option B, option C, it is a oxidizing agent is the right answer. Question number 29. The minimum speed required to put a satellite into a given orbit around Earth is known as A. Escape velocity, B. Orbital velocity, C. Kinetic velocity, D. All of the above. This is general science question related to physics. So when we launch a satellite, the amount of energy needed to make the satellite goes around the orbit of the Earth is called orbital velocity. In the question itself, you get the answer. Option B, orbital velocity. And 30th question, penicillin, which is used as an antibiotic, is obtained from A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Fungi, D. Lichens. So penicillin, which is a powerful antibiotic, from where we are getting it? It is we are getting the penicillin from fungi. Option C is right. Now the most awaiting subscriber question is here. Subscribers should take it as a challenge to get the answer, and please write the answer of this question in the comment box. The Maitri Express connects India with which of the following country? We know that Samjhoda Express, which is running between India and Pakistan, like that. Maitri Express connecting India with which of the following country? A. Nepal, B. Bangladesh, C. China, and D. Pakistan. Write your answer in the comment box below. It is just a motivation exercise for the nursing aspirants to search new knowledge. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed these 30 questions. If you like this, please like this video and give your valuable feedback in the comment box. Meet you again with another good questions. If you like this video, please click and watch it. Thank you. Bye bye.